Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious smoothies, just like your favorites. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, focusing on ripe fruits and nutrient-dense vegetables. Next, we'll choose the ideal liquid base to complement your flavors and desired consistency. Then, we'll incorporate beneficial enhancers like protein or fiber. Finally, we'll blend everything to achieve that signature smooth, frosty texture you love, ensuring a perfect drink every time. Achieving that perfect Smoothie King taste involves precise ingredient ratios. Aim for about 2 cups of frozen fruit for every 1 cup of liquid base, ensuring a thick, creamy texture. Incorporate 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder, typically around 20 to 30 grams, for a satisfying boost. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen vegetables like spinach to enhance nutrient content without altering the taste significantly. These ratios are key to a balanced and delicious smoothie. The blending process is crucial for a perfectly smooth drink. Always add your liquid base first, followed by softer ingredients like fresh fruit or powders. Then pile in your frozen fruits and ice. Begin blending on a low setting to break down larger pieces, then gradually increase to a high speed. Continue blending for at least 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely uniform and creamy. A powerful blender, at least 1000 watts, works best for this. Personalizing your smoothie allows for endless delicious variations. For extra sweetness, consider adding 1 tablespoon of honey or a few pitted dates. Boost healthy fats and creaminess with 1 tablespoon of almond butter or 1/4 of an avocado. You can also incorporate various supplements, such as 1 teaspoon of spirulina or a scoop of collagen, for targeted nutritional benefits. Remember, adjusting the amount of liquid will help you achieve your preferred thickness, from a pourable drink to a spoonable bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.